Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about differential equations. So now I will show you how to answer. We have number 0 in here. That means we can find only complementary solutions. So I will put about YC. Let us see, that is about complementary. And we have e to the power of lambda s. So if we do first the derivative of this one, we have lambda e to the power of lambda s, because first the derivative of this one we keep about e to the power of lambda s. Later that we do first the derivative of lambda s, you got lambda. Now we need to find second the derivative of this one, and we have lambda square e to the power of lambda s. And if we do third the derivative of this one, and we have lambda to the power of 3e to the power of lambda s. Now I will put this one going here. This one we change by this one, and this one we put in here, and this one we put in here. Next, e to the power of lambda s, we need to do factorization, and you got like this. So we need to find the solutions of this one, and we have the final answer. So lambda equals to 1/3, lambda equals to 3 plus I. This is about complex unit. And the last one, 3 minus I. So we will have about y equals to c number 1. That is about the constant number 1, e to the power of lambda s. Now we need to change lambda into 1/3. Now we go to c number 2, e to the power of 3 plus I s, and c number 3. We can put e to the power of 3 minus is. Next, about this one, we can write into another way. So that should be about e to the power of 3s cosine s, and e to the power of 3s sine s. And this is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.